NFT sales hit 25 billion in 2021 alone. Can you believe that? And another one here, guys. Indonesian students self-fetch $1 million in NFT sales. How does it do that? Alright guys, I know you might be hearing of NFT everywhere, every corner, in every country, but today's tutorial is going to be on NFT. So I'm going to be showing you how to turn your picture into an NFT for free and start selling it online. This is a new method, and make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end so you don't miss out on any steps that I'm going to be showing you in today's tutorial. And before we move on in today's tutorial, make sure you drop a like on this video, and if you haven't, subscribe to my channel, turn on notification bell button so next time when I create new videos like this, you get update. So without further ado, let's move on to today's video. For people who don't know what is NFT, NFT is a non-fungible tokens, and there are different type of NFTs out there. I know you might have come across. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can turn your picture into an NFT for free and start selling online with the world's best NFT Market Place website. So first, before you can start doing this, what you need to do is to go to NFT Market Place like this, OpenSea.io. So OpenSea.io is one of the best and the largest marketplace platform on the internet. So this is why I want to join it, and to join it you need to have a Coinbase wallet. So with this Coinbase wallet you can sign up and join OpenSea and start listing your NFTs. So we're not going to go deep into that, but if you want more videos, you can really comment below in the comment section if you want me to make other video on how to sign up with this OpenSea. So now what we want to do is that we need, first of all, a photo. We need a picture to start this method I want to show you on today's tutorial. Once again, it's this totally a free method. You don't need any money to invest in this. So now let's get started. So if I just type nature into Google search, this is what I got, guys. Okay, but first I will say it's better you use your own photograph so you don't have any issue with copyright. So this is why you want to use your own picture, but for the sake of this video, guys, I will go to Google. I think I found this kind of interesting, but I want to use something more natural. Okay. Alright guys, I found this picture here. We're going to use this for this video tutorial. So to do that, just want to go and save this image to your computer. Alright guys, so after doing that, I want to go to the next step. I found this photo editing website on Google, which is befunky.com. I just write on Google picture to heart, and this is the first website that come. So this is already befunky.com. So what we want to do now is that we want to go to create. After signing up with befunky.com, it is free to use, it's free sign up, and they also have a paid version. But for this tutorial, it's okay where you can start with a free version, just register and you can start using it. So we want to go to photo editor. Alright guys, so this is how the software look like. Okay, this is already befunky.com. So what we want to do now is that we want to upload upload the picture we've downloaded on Google. So to do that, we just drag it and drop it in here. So we already have the photo, guys. So now we want to turn this photo to a artwork. Okay, and to do that, you just need to go to the sidebar here and click on Etsy. So when we click on Etsy, we have a different type of Etsy here, but I go for the digital art, and let's see how it's going to look like. I'm going to choose this first one here and click on it. So we wait till it's going to make the picture itself. So this is what comes out of this picture, and I really love it. It looks so really good, so easy as that. You can just download it to your computer, but first you need the paid version to be able to do this, guys. So what we want to do now is that we want to screenshot, but first of all, where you can get such photos from is very easy. You can even make this photo with your cell phone or with camera. When you are out there in the nature, you can just make some photos and bring them to this software and try to make it a digital art, try to turn the pictures to art, and see the best you can make out of that. Okay, so for now I think this is okay like this. And the trick I'm going to give you is that because you need a paid version to start downloading days to your computer, and there will be a logo from befunky.com at the left bottom side here. So what we want to do now is that we can just go easily and screenshot this picture, and we're going to cut out the logo of befunky.com. So this is the easiest way to do it as a beginner, and we don't have any money to invest on this. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to screenshot this and save it to our computer. So after doing that, we want to go back to OpenSea.io, and we want to create new item. So to do that, you click on create, and it's going to bring you to this page. As you can see, create new item, and now we can drag these new photos in here. Okay, so now we have the photo here. We can give this photo a name, digital nature. And after that, you go down to external link. So this is when you want to link this to your own website. Assuming you have a website and you're selling such things, this artwork like this, you can just include your website here, but we're going to leave that for now because we don't need that. And you can also write description. This description is very, very important. It will be more catchy, that people would like to read what the picture is all about, but we're not going to go through that now. It's very easy. You just need to compose a description for this artwork and put it here, okay, at the description. And after that, we don't need to make a collection, but for this, it's just single artwork that we want to sell, okay. And we leave all these here and come here to supply. We only supply one of these photo, like we say. We want to only supply one of this photo, and then after the next thing is to go to this blockchain. As you can see, you need to connect your Ethereum with this. We can do that by connecting your Coinbase wallet to OpenSea, and it is already set up automatically. So we're ready to create this artwork. So we just click on create, and we'll leave it for a little bit time to upload this artwork to our OpenSea. We've just created our digital nature artwork here. So now we can just go up here and click on sell to sell it. This is how you can turn your picture into an NFT for free, guys. And once again, you need to connect your Coinbase wallet to OpenSea, and you can start using OpenSea for different type of listing. As you can see, let's just go up here, go to explore some artworks here, guys. So you see there are different type of artworks here, guys, okay. And when we click on this one here by Joke, the name of the creator is Joke. So we can see here that it listed this artwork for example 69.42 Ethereum. So when we want to check that, as you can see, one Ethereum is $2,470.23 as of the time that I'm making this video, because it can change at any time. So now I want to calculate it. So as you can see, this guy is selling this artwork for 69.42 Ethereum. So we can just go here and write that 69.42 times Ethereum price is 2,470.23. If we multiply that together, that is 171,483. This piece of artwork here is selling for over 171,000, guys. So this is a very cool trend that we want to jump into now and start earning money. It doesn't matter where you come from, you can join this method and start earning money for yourself with artwork. So I hope you guys do find value in today's tutorial, and if so, make sure you hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell button, so next time when I create new videos like this, you will get update. And if you have any question, feel free and drop me the message in the comment section. I will try my best to answer all your questions as soon as I can. So thank you once again for watching this video, and I will catch you in my next one. Peace.